Hey, Natural Method YouTube. Does it look like you are permanently slouching? If you have functional scoliosis, I'm going to show you how to correct it. Imagine how much better you will feel without the pain. Let's get started. Both hands in this position and stretch back. 1, 2.
Don't worry. Bring your arms all the way back.
5. Forward. 1, 2. Take your time as you bend. 4, 5. To the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the right. 1, 2.
Make sure you stretch to the tension point.
5. Hands in this position and stretch back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the left. 1, 2.
Your arms need to be behind your head.
4, 5. To the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to middle and hands in this position and stretch back. 1, 2.
If you are bending back enough, you will feel tension in your lower back.
Bring your elbow down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This time to the left. 1, 2.
Make sure you stretch to the tension point.
4, 5. To the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right hands underneath your left hand armpit and stretch back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left hand on your right hand armpit and stretch back. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Make sure you stretch to the tension point.
2, 3, 4, 5. Both hands in this position and stretch out. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Make sure you stretch your arms all the way out.
2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch all the way back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch all the way back and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And drop your hands down.
Do this exercise twice a day to start with. If you want to know how long you need to do it for, send me a message by clicking here or contact me on WhatsApp.